We are one of the leading frozen food manufacturer in UK, supply to all the big retailers around UK and outside the UK, Europe and outside Europe as well. So we've been in business over 40 years. Mainly we are on frozen snacks and finger foods, and now we are into frozen ready meals as well.
The way that we see our products is we've got a lot of staples, so your samosas, your spring rolls, the products that everyone knows and loves, and then there are trends that you can decide to hop onto or try and form yourselves. I think for us a good example of that would be the Bombay donuts that we launched recently in October, Korean kimbaps as well, which is sort of a form of warmed or heated sushi, which is fantastic. It's really popular at the moment. A lot of it has, for example, the kimbaps have been popularised a lot with TikTok at the moment in the UK, which is really interesting. And then, for example, just before this filming, we've just tasted some Punjabi samosas that we're creating for one of our clients. So I think it's a blend of trying to improve those staples, and we've been doing that for 40 or 50 years as a business, just iteratively improving on the taste. But also, what can we invent? What can we bring over here that's new? What can we invent for ourselves in our BRC certified London factory? We've got coconut chicken, chicken curry, tandoori chicken and mixed vegetable, some spicier, some more aromatic. We're still playing with new flavours as well, so we're looking into a butter chicken flavour and vindaloo flavour as well for those who like their heat. But we're very excited for people to see, sample and taste them at IV. The Bombay donuts we've quite literally just launched in the last month or so. They have been incredibly popular. They're like nothing you've ever seen on the market. It's a sweet and savoury sort of snack is the way I describe it. So it's a bao bun donut bread with golden breadcrumbs around the outside, deep fried, desiccated coconut sprinkled over the top, and a creamy, hearty, filling curry sauce in the middle. I think it's hearing their stories. It's fantastic. It's one thing to send a connection request over LinkedIn or have an anonymous email message with someone, but actually seeing them face to face, get them to understand a little bit about our brand, what their brand represents, how we can help each other with potential partnerships. That's definitely been a great learning process for us.
Meet our existing customers and the new customers who we want to deal with, and the people who are working at the moment, and it will be very nice to speak, when people can see our brand.
Meeting new people if you want.